Welcome to Make It Easy. This video is an easy make-at-home recipe for the tantalizing restaurant-style Kabab Kanti. Watch this video till the end to know this easy recipe. Take 3 to 4 onions cut in rings. You can also slice them. Add salt to taste. Add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric or haldi powder. Add 2 teaspoons of red chili powder. Now add 1 cup of diced tomatoes. And add approximately 2 tablespoons of white vinegar. You can substitute this for the lemon juice also. Mix well and keep aside for marination for at least 30 minutes. Now take 2 seekh kebabs and cut them in diagonal pieces. You can also cut the kebabs in rings, whatever shape you want. Now take 2 tablespoons oil in a pan and add half a cup of water to it. Keep the flame low. And now add 1 teaspoon of red chili powder. Mix it well till it boils. Now add half more cup and again allow it to boil. As this mixture boils, it's the time to add the kebabs. Fry the kebabs well. It should take approximately 4 to 5 minutes. Fry it till the water evaporates and the oil leaves on the sides. Keep stirring occasionally so that the kebabs don't stick to the bottom. Now they are almost done. And we can take them out. Keep the kebabs aside. I will fry the onions in the same oil that I have already marinated these onions along with the tomatoes. Do this on a high flame. Saute the onions well. Add half a teaspoon of mutton masala, or you can also add garam masala, and half a teaspoon of cumin powder. You can also use cumin seeds or sabut jeera if you don't have jeera powder or cumin powder. Cook the onions well until all the rawness leaves. Now add 1 tablespoon of kasuri methi, dried kasuri methi. Add some fresh coriander leaves, chopped. Now add the fried kebabs. Now add split green chilies. There are some lighting issues in this video, but trust me, the kanti is coming out very nice. Now the kabab kanti is almost done. I will saute it for a minute more. The flavors of the onions should blend well with the kebabs. Now it's time to serve a kabab kanti. Take a platter. And pour out the kabab kanti onto this platter. Garnish with some fresh coriander, and your Kabab Kanti is ready to be served hot with naan or rice. Do consider subscription to my channel if you like this content and press the bell icon for more updates. Hit the like button and share this video with your friends and family. Leave your valuable feedback in the comments below, and don't forget to visit Make It Easy Kashmir for more exciting recipes. Thank you for watching.